We left all our blood right here in Transylvania.
That's right.
We are ready to go.
Go Canada. Go Canada. Yay. Alright, workout Wednesday. Thursday, Friday. 3 days out from regionals. Chloe's racing a 5K. I'm racing the steeple. Ooh. Today, we don't know what we're doing. Do you want to take bets?
I'm gonna say fartlek and 5 by 400 at race pace.
I'm saying no pickups and sets of 300, 200. Maybe 400, 200.
Yeah.
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 We'll see you there.
Coach, what are we doing today?
12 by 400 at mile race.
With no rest.
Even better.
Yeah.
How about
I got
1
it.
times 3K steeple?
Okay.
Oh, no, that's
today? No, that's Saturday. That's Saturday.
It'd be like 3 times 1.
What are we doing today, Coach?
We're having a party. Did you get that?
That was a roast.
We love you.
I'd let you in on the roast, but sorry, you just had to be there. Anyway, this is us doing our pre-run activations. We're doing some bands. You can't really tell though with the camera, but whatever. We're just chatting it up, and then Coach sent us on a 30-minute warm-up. Usually we'll do some pickups or something in the warm-up, but today was just 30 minutes, no pickups, just as I predicted, by the way. Then we came back, did some active stretching, some dynamic drills, and Coach was giving us the rundown of what we were going to do. A mix of 400s, 300s, and 200s, some more race pace rhythm, and then the 200s a little quicker, just to get some turnover. After we finished up drills, I just changed into my flats, and we hit the track for some reps. I don't have anything else to ramble about now, so you can just watch us run this workout.
How we feeling, so? She hates me. Coach, how was the workout? How was it run? You didn't
It was marvelous.
Chloe Diggity, Miss 5K. How'd you feel?
It was good.
Yeah? You ready?
Yes.
Coach, any words of wisdom?
We left all our blood right here in Transylvania.
That's right.
We are ready to go.
Okay, Rach, walk us through today.
Right, we did.
So we have to jog it
A
out.
little, what did we do? 300? No, 400, 200, 300, 200, 400, 200, 300, 200. Little tune up. 2 feet. Was really bad at pacing. Her rep. She was worse. Yeah, we be ready. Hello again. We just got back from the workout. I just showered up. We're about to eat some lunch, lay in our beds the rest of the afternoon, and rest up till Saturday. Hope you enjoyed this Workout Wednesday video. Yeah, stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe. Join my squad of like 10 subscribers. And yeah, thanks for watching.